got a very important and beneficial thing to share with you all. And it's this, is that, you see, if we were to look at the world today, in 2026 so-called, it can be safely stated, and a universal repair option for all of this heavens and earth plane and everybody and all creatures and all of the world, so to say, can be provided when you realize that with wisdom, everything can be made miraculous. There can be world peace, there can be peace, there can be legit, happy, safe, good, secure, beautiful life for everybody, everywhere, and for everything, and for every creature, right? You're looking at a world nowadays where basically, if we had to identify and look at what is actually wrong with the world, what is the root cause for all the problems that you see, you can see them on the news of the world and so on, then the answer is essentially something along the lines of foolishness, or what can be classified as the opposite of wisdom. Because we know that in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth, and in the beginning was wisdom. The beginning of wisdom is a fear of God. Okay, and we know that God geometrized. Okay, so everything here, this complete, total human divine experience and the heavens and the earth plane and all of this, it's all ordered into a certain beautiful systematic nature. Okay, this governs everything, even how humans interact, how nations interact with each other, and so on. Everything can be perfect, and it should be. And we're busy making it that way right now, right here. So all that has to happen is that the world has to be repaired by the legitimate, godly application, the proper application of wisdom, and implementing wise and legit strategy overall. I'll explain to you why and how this practically looks. It doesn't matter who it is, whether it's the president, or whether it's me standing here, or it's you over there. There's simply a way whereby interactions with each other between any and every human being and group of human beings, etc., any interaction can lead to mutually beneficent, legitimate, good results and progress. Where does this become relevant? Okay, say we have so-called